So it's Sunday. Couldn't be beautiful weather. More beautiful. I think the seas are calm too. I'm about to go test it. I'm at Paso Grill at the Don Cesar boat ramp. And I'm gonna go out on the ocean and see how choppy it is. Let's go take a look. To have a launching point going offshore, although you go 35 miles and it's still only 100 feet. Maybe I'll go all the way to Key West. We got a full tank of gas. I don't know if you can read that. Check in when we get up to the ocean. So I ran across these guys. They are stuck. Their engine died and they're just not far from where they have their boat docked. I guess they have a slip, but I tried it. I tried to tow them and I was unable to do anything. They're just too big. I got them out of the bridge area. Then this boat came along and has offered to help them, so that's good. I'm gonna get on out of here since I can't really do anything. I got the mic on here, but I don't think it's working. So, let's see if there's a fishing hole somewhere. Hey, that's the wave. permanent on this. Well, I can't get the fish to bite. That's pretty rough. And it's tough changing lures on this thing without getting a little seasick when it's so